If you have products that you have already created offers or listings for on Amazon using your Amazon Seller Central account, you can sync these with their corresponding products in your store catalog with the Link Existing Listings view. If you are new to selling on Amazon and have not already listed any of your products in the Amazon Seller Central, please skip ahead to the next videos in this module. You can navigate to the Link Existing Listings view from the home screen or from the Settings view at any time and select the Amazon sales channel that you will be linking your listings from. When you connect your Amazon Seller Central account to Channel Cloud, Codisto will use the information stored in your online store catalog to automatically match your products with the offers for those products in Amazon Seller Central. Before your products can be synced, you will be required to review and confirm the automatic matches that Codisto has made. There are 3 types of matches that may appear in this view. High-confidence matches are those where Codisto has been able to link your Amazon products with their corresponding offers in Seller Central using either their SKU codes or other product identifiers. If you have used the same SKUs or product identifiers when creating your products on Seller Central, these matches should be correct. If this is the case, simply review and approve the matches and continue to the next match type. The next match type, medium confidence match, is where Codisto was unable to find an exact match on your product identifiers, but has been able to find likely matches for the products based on the titles and SKUs in your store catalog and Amazon Seller Central account. Again, you were able to review and approve the matches before linking. If Codisto has not been able to match listings to products, you will be able to match them manually. After you have confirmed or updated your matches, you will need to choose your listing rules before you can link the Amazon listings. Since the listing and offer field values may vary between your online store and your existing Amazon listings, you will need to select whether you want Codisto to keep the existing values in Amazon Seller Central for your listings, or update them with new listing and offer values based on the field settings and rules selected as defaults or from the listings view. For example, if the product titles on your existing Amazon listings are different to the ones in your store catalog, and you select Use Amazon Settings, the titles on your existing Amazon listings will remain unchanged. However, if you select Use Codisto Settings, your titles will be replaced with new title values based on those in your store catalog and the settings you have selected for that field. To be clear, for items to remain synced with your online store, you need to select Codisto Settings, not Amazon Settings. Once you have reviewed your matches and selected your listing rules, you can view a summary of your matches before finalizing. Once they have been linked, your inventory, pricing, and product details will be synced in real time based on the settings you have chosen. If you wish to make further changes to your listings in the future, you can do so directly from the listing view. The next video explains how to create new Amazon offers for items already being sold on Amazon.